You see point number 4. No referral tax. You don't need that. You understand me? As a matter of fact, most of the monies we earn on daily basis come from this. But the first one is the one. So for the second one, you don't need referral. Now, all you simply need is the knowledge we give you. We need an investor, right? We give you the knowledge, we teach you to be able to access the global school, 1.7 million account from your phone. Invest your money in them. Are you with me? You don't need referrals. But always remember the last point, because that's where most people get mistake. The time factor for earning is not predictable. Then, you might invest, you might be lucky to earn the same day. You might be lucky to earn in a few, because it depends on when activities happen in these communities, right? You understand me? So the time factor is something you cannot control. But profitable investments, yes, the knowledge we can give you. So you can give your own house and do that. So we do that. I do the trade. Okay? So yes, it's possible. So if that is your interest, come in. Once you sign up, we teach you the business number 2. Right? See that in your
own. You have a question, right? We take 2 more questions and we go for a break. Go to the holy name, then we say we should be a break then.
Does the platform have an app or is it the website?
The business itself is the blockchain. That's what the security is. You know, one of the risks of online businesses, you need to understand, for online business, you have centralized and decentralized systems. The risk is more in centralized system, but in this centralized system, it's almost not failable, and the blockchain is the mother of all the centralized systems. If you decide to put anything in the blockchain, forget that. The other than the blockchain can crash. The world now depends on it. You know, Germany as a country, several weeks ago, sold some of their Bitcoin in large quantity. That's one of the reasons why Bitcoin dropped. Right? You understand? So the world is too tight to blockchain. So the business now, so the smart contract, which is what everything, on which all business is in the blockchain. There is not an app. The interface to accessing the blockchain is a website. So what you need is a wallet, it's open source wallet. That is the only thing you need to install on that. Then the other how to access the marketplace to give you the know-how.
It's okay that you can look for
It's an app.
something like just wallet.
Yeah, it's the equivalent. You understand? No, you can go to a Play Store and download it. Yes. No, go to a Play Store and download Token Pocket. Spelled as one word. Token, then box. TP.
Now we close this segment by saying thank you to Brother DJ Bassi for a sweet talk. I say, now only 2 people at least they sleep. Now all those people see they use pencil they write. No be Bible. People are saying yes and not they write. So we close this segment with Brahiji and we go for a break for just 10 minutes. You just have to stand, stretch your legs. There is a light refreshment. Not waiting to better for you. You know, when you tell the day about now, even as a part of the country itself, when it doesn't like refreshment, I want slice bread and water. Now it is slice bread from outside. One slice bread and water and life. We are all past that level. Yes, sir. Father, Apple will block brain now. It will block brain. So after this, we stand up, we have a break. Thank you.
If you have not written down your name, who has the list? I know I have the list. If you have not written down your name and your phone number, WhatsApp phone number, please reach it. And do
that. Just come to the front and do that.
Do that, all right? It's important to